Hi, this is Lars Christensen. In this brief example, I want to show you how we can use the RoboBraille service to convert a Word document with math content into a talking math book. So the source of the document that I want to convert, I'm showing here. What we can see is that this is a plain Word document. It's a well-tagged document, so it's got all the headings in the right places, and also we can see that it does have a number of math equations. These math equations are not just pictures of equations. These are actual math equations created using a math equation editor. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the RoboBraille service to upload the document and to convert it into a talking math book in the DAISY format. So I go to the RoboBraille webpage. I go to my example files to find the source document, this document called Document with Math Content. I upload the document. I select to have it converted into a DAISY Math full text full audiobook. And then I simply key in my email address and submit the request. So what comes back from the service is a structured audiobook. I'm going to open up the reply from the service in a DAISY player. In this case, I'm using Read Here Pro, but I could use other DAISY players as well. So I'm just going to open up the document. What we can see is that we have the same document here. The same structure of the document is reflected in the DAISY document that I'm opening. And what I can do now is that I can browse through the document, I can change the appearance of the document, and I can also ask to have the document read out aloud.
The definition of a quadratic equation is any equation that can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a not equal to 0. By completing the square on this generic equation, you arrive at the quadratic formula x equals fraction minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and root over 2a and fraction. This formula can then be used to solve any quadratic equation without having to complete the square each time.